Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of let's throw something on the griddle and see what sticks. Today we got a store brand pizza. So let me open this sucker up. We could have made our own like we usually do, but this was on sale and I can't resist a bargain. Look at the size, holy cow. This may be lunch tomorrow and the next day, and the next day, and the next day. Okay, we got our Big Mamba pizza. The dome naturally won't fit. So, thunderstorm! We'll try making our own. Dome. Still a little. I had to bend the sides out, as you can see. But it was really cheap at our local cheap grocery. So, let's see what happens. I honestly have no idea if this is a great idea or a sucky one. We'll just have to find out together, won't we? Meanwhile, I'll come behind you and actually I'll pause this so you don't have to sit through the whole thing. I'll be right back. And welcome back. I'd like to thank today's sponsors, the American Pizza Manufacturers Group and Polar Fleece Arctic Wear, or whoever is willing to pay me money. So far, nobody, but I'm still waiting. So let's take a peek, shall we? Look at that. We're starting to get a little bit of melty cheese. I'll turn down the heat a little bit. I might keep one of these around just to pretend we're getting rain. Today it's not raining, but we do have 100% humidity, go figure. And it's cold, 60 degrees, which does affect the griddle. A lot of heat coming out the sides. I need to get two more of the scraper thingies. Starting to smell like pizza though. We'll give it a few more minutes and we'll check it again in shortly. Okay, welcome back. It's been like, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 minutes since I threw this on. And look at that, melty cheese. The crust is still not crunchy. So the cheese has done its job thanks to the Thunderdome, cheese dome. But we're still waiting for the crispy crust. I was worried about the crust burning, so I had turned it down. Actually, the bottom is perfect. The top's perfect. It's just this part that's soft. So I'm going to call it done. We got a pizza. Now, this thing's so huge. So huge. Look at this. Ah, there we go. This is the only pan big enough for slicing and dicing and moving and grooving. And just when it hit me, where was I? Moving and grooving? Let's just cut a little piece here. Thank you for the ball baja. Actually, look at the bottom. Perfect, huh? Top is perfectly melty. It's just this part here I thought would toast. So there you go. Store-bought pizza, every bit as good as oven without heating up the house. And faster, much faster. So thanks for watching, y'all. Wait, I almost forgot. Stream close up. Oh wait, pepperoni. Okay, I know you would have missed that. So there's our weather for today. Right, puppy dog? Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.